So over here I have a very mysterious box. When this light comes on, we lose. So firstly it has 3 pins. Pin 1 to 3. Then it has a power input, negative and positive. When we connect this box to an ESP32, we can program it to arm this box. Then it doesn't matter which cables you remove, the light will come on. There's only one combination to remove the cables without the lights coming on. So over here we have a mysterious box with 5 inputs, positive, negative, and pins 1, 2, and 3. So what's the logic inside this box? First, let's have a look at the whole device when it's operating. So now we can see how it works. So for the first round, let's remove the power cables. Oh no, we're lost. Next, let's try to remove the pin cables one by one. Oh no, we lost again. Next, let's try to remove them in a different order. Oh no, immediately lost. Now let's try to remove number 2 first. Then number 1, then number 3. Oh no, there we go again. Now lastly, I will show you the solution. You see this yellow wire on the ESP32. I'm gonna pull this wire out. Then we can safely remove all the wires. And there you go, we won. Thank you for watching. Can you guess what's inside the box and what is the logic of the circuit inside? Bye bye.